Hello guys, welcome back to my new tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload wallpaper or lock screen wallpaper on your phone without copying, because sometimes what happens is like we upload and we have to copy the picture. It doesn't comes in full size. So I'm going to show you. You have to download an application first. You can go in Play Store first, and after that you can search for wallpaper setter, and you can see this app you have to install. Once you have done, it's not a big app, and you have to say open, and as you can see the interface of this app, and you have to click over here in image and select your file. For example, I will take for a game file. It was a PUBG gameplay, and as you can see the picture was kind of very large size, and I'm gonna show you. You can see now how it is to set a wallpaper, and you can select any kind of things. For another example, I will show you. This picture, as you can see, the picture size directly come the wallpaper what you want, and if you want you can copy, or it was like this. And if you will go back, you can see the picture is large size, and you can save, and your picture has saved. Go to gallery. Over here it is your picture what you have saved, and if you want to upload an wallpaper, you can see over here. And lock screen, the picture size you don't have to compromise and crop. So guys, if I will click OK, it will apply. So I don't want, my picture is fine over here. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, so please leave a like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.